So PATRIOT II is a real-world pragmatic study trying to collect data in patients who start frontline platinum-based chemotherapy, and some of those patients will go ahead with maintenance immunotherapy with Avelumab based on the level 1 evidence and the results of the Javelin Bladder 100 trial. Patients with response, CR, PR, or stable disease on platinum-based chemo go ahead to get Avelumab maintenance therapy. So we would like to see what happens in real-world practice, in community oncology practices, in academic practices, evaluate response to treatment outcomes, clinical outcomes, survival, PFS, OS, and also patient-reported outcomes, quality of life metrics in those patients, as well as healthcare utilization, toxicity data in patients getting chemotherapy or immunotherapy, and put all those data together to see what is the impact in the life of patients with advanced urothelial cancer. This is a study that has two cohorts, an ambispective cohort that is prospective and retrospective together. You consent patients and you collect data points, patient-reported outcomes for quality of life after they start frontline chemotherapy, and the retrospective cohort, patients who already started Avelumab maintenance therapy, and we try to collect retrospective data from the medical record. So this was a trial in progress that we had a poster here at ASCO 2022, and hopefully in the future we'll be able to present data, actual results from that very important study.